Hey guys, Glenn Murray. Today I'm going to be reviewing a product called Gizzmo. It's how to create AI generated Amazon review posts. So this is a really cool, it takes about 20 seconds or 30 seconds to make these reviews. They look amazing, and it puts your Amazon affiliate link right into it. So if you don't know who I am, I'm an affiliate marketer. I show people how to make money online. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and let's get into this review. So basically, I stumbled across this program called Gizmo.ai. Now, if you already heard about it and you're just looking for a discount, click the link below. There's a coupon code there. You get 30% off. It's really affordable. This is a great product. I'm a pro member, so I get 50 posts every single month. So it's really, really cool to use. So let me show you exactly. Let me just show you what one of the posts looks like here. Let me just switch over to this one right here. So this is basically, this is on one of my blogs, guys. You do need a WordPress site. So if you don't have a WordPress site, I'll set you up with a video that shows you. Actually, I'll put a video up here on up here somewhere, so you can. I'll show you exactly how to set up a WordPress site. It's really easy. Anyways, this is amazing, guys. This does a review. It does roundup, so you can pick like 5 or 6 products, and it'll do a roundup. So it'll do a comparison of the products, and then right here, this is your Amazon link. So it just clicks you through right to Amazon, and you can buy it. So it does a great job, brings in all the images, AI writes it all for you. You don't have to mess with it, and literally it takes seconds. So let's show you exactly how it works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to Amazon. Now you do have to be on Amazon.com. I tried it on Amazon.ca because I'm in Canada, and the little Chrome extension did not work. So let's pop over to. So this is my. That's not the one I want. I want this one. Okay. So I'm on Amazon.com, okay? Now I'm going to click on this little plus button. Hopefully it's not going to show my code. If not, I'll have oh, so it added right there. Okay, so perfect. I've already signed in. So it's added it to my Gizmo's back end office. So I'm going to go back over here, and I think I just have to refresh this. Guys, I'm pretty new to this thing. All right, so see, it brought in the barbecue. Can you see this down here? All right, so now all I need to do is click prepare, and it's gonna queue that. So it's basically what it's doing. It's creating a review for the barbecue, which is really cool. This is a $27,000 barbecue, guys. This is like if you want to promote on Amazon, go for big products. You can do lots of little products and you'll make lots of little commissions. But if you want big commissions, like put big products up there. Just go for it, because you sell one of these and you're set for a couple of months, depending on where you live. My overhead is about $5,000 a month, so I'd have to sell a couple of these a month. But really, it's pretty good stuff. Anyways, I digress. Okay, so that's it. So now we've got the review. We sit here. It writes a review. It's writing a draft now. So what it is, it prepared all the images. It brought all the information over from Amazon, and now it's actually creating the post, which will be as a draft. And there, that's done. So guys, this is where is the post? Let's see. It should be right. Let me just pause this for a second, and let me find where it went. Okay, I have to hit the review button. Sorry, guys. So now it's getting the product data. Okay, once it's done that, you want to click over here, create, I don't know if you can see my mouse, create product review post. All right, I'm going to pop over to posts here, and elevate your grilling experience with a versatile stainless steel barbecue rack. So now it's in draft mode, guys, so I can preview it, and there we go. So that is the review. Look at that. Look at the pictures it brings in, guys. Wow. This is awesome. Sorry. Oh, this is a beautiful thing. So right there, buy on Amazon. That's your Amazon link. That's how quick it is to do it. And that's done, guys. All you need to do is make it live. So go back to edit post. and I would just publish it. Hit publish up here, publish. Now you might need to change the category or a couple things like that, but just get them published, and you're done. Like that's amazing. So that's published. All right. Let me see where I am. 5 minutes? That only took 5 minutes to do, guys. Like this is so amazingly quick. So, oh, you know what? I should show you the pricing. Let me show you the pricing on the, where is it? Gizmo Home pricing. Let me show you here. Okay, so there we go. All right, so basically you can get the $1 one-time trial. You get 3 articles. You cancel any time, and you just get to try the 3 articles. Starters, 5 articles a month, 15. Now I got the Pro, which is 27 articles a month. Elite is probably the way you want to go if you are, especially if you're doing. Oh, I got to show you one other thing. That's another cool thing about it. Okay, so basically Pro. Now you're going to get 30% off your subscription. I think for the first year or whatever it is. Just check out the when you put the code in, and that's the code is below. The link for Gizmo is below, so don't go to the website without using my link, and that way you make sure that the code works. So those are the prices. I would pick one of the Pro, Expert, or Elite. Now this is really cool. So let me go back over to my review here. Let's view this. Instant indexing, backlinks, it's all there. View. Okay. Now what's cool about this is I can share this. I can save it to I can save it. So I've got where's my thing? Thought I had a I can post it directly to. I don't know why it's not coming up. Anyways, I'll just grab this. I would go over to Twitter, and I would post this. Right, grab my headline here, copy. Where's Twitter? Like that, right? I would post it. I would save this over to Pinterest, online shopping board, save it to Pinterest. So now I've just pumped out my blog post, which is going to go out to my Twitter, which is going to go out to my Pinterest. Now I could make a short video and say, hey, you want to elevate your barbecuing? Go over to my blog post, and all those. This is how you're going to get it out there. So people are going to come back to your blog and check out the article, and the people that are looking for barbecues are going to do it. So basically, that's how Gizmo works. Now, did I find any problems with it as I've used it? No, this thing is really seamless. So the one thing is you need to be on Amazon.com. You need to have an Amazon affiliate account. When you're setting it up, you need to know how to find your Amazon token ID, which is really easy to do. Whatever country you're in that you're an Amazon affiliate for, right up here, you'll get this. Oh, sorry guys, let me show you what I'm showing you. Okay, right at the top here, you've got this little stripe thing called Site Stripe. My name thing is covering it. If you click on text, it drops this down. Now your tracking ID, where it says tracking ID, that's your unique Amazon affiliate ID. So any product that has that on the end of it will get credited to you. So you need to copy that and put it into your Gizmo. That's about it. It gives you a token. It's super easy. Download the plugin, upload the plugin, activate it. And what's really great is right inside the plugin, it has all the steps. It shows you how to do your very first review. It's very simple. So easy to use. So I think that'll cover it. So make sure that you subscribe if you like videos like this. If you want to know what my number one online business is, check below. You'll see my links there. And yeah, if you want to do Amazon affiliate marketing, I do bunch of short videos on how to do Amazon affiliate marketing with Pinterest and stuff. But really, the meat and potatoes in when you're doing Amazon is reviews, comparisons. Like I show people how to do this. You can do like take 5 of the top, go in, search cameras, right? Find 5 of the top cameras, and then you can do a review post on it. Well, this does a roundup for you. This just does it for you. So you pick your 5 cameras, pick them, hit roundup. It does the roundup for you. It puts your affiliate link into all of them. It's such a cool thing. So I would definitely go try this. Again, the link for it is below. Use the custom code there. I would either go for the pro, what are the pricing? Pro, professional, or pro, expert, or elite. And those are the ones I would definitely go for, because once you start, you want to be doing at least a post a day. With the pro, you can do 2 posts a day, or sorry, 1 post a day. With expert, you could do 2 posts a day, or you could load up all your posts at the beginning of the month, right? And then put up 27 posts, and then for the next 30 days, just keep promoting those posts on your social media. So you know, like, go spend one day, boom, and put up all my 27 posts. Put up your 27 articles, and then each day go in and you're going to promote one of those articles on social media. Put it on make a little video about it, put it on TikTok, put it on YouTube, Shorts, put it on Instagram, put it on Pinterest, put it on Twitter. Get it out there, and then the next day you do the next article and get it out there, and you're going to start driving a ton of traffic to your blog. You're going to start driving a ton of traffic for people looking for these products. And once your blog starts getting traffic, then what will happen is your actual sorry, my camera was off to the right. Once you actually get traffic to your blog, it's going to generate more traffic, because Google's going to be going, oh wow, there's all this traffic going to this blog. Look at, they're clicking on links, they're going to Amazon. Yeah, we're going to show this to more people, and you're basically your SEO is just going to take off, right? So because the internet is so smart these days. Diversify something. Anyways, that's it. My name is Glenn Murray. I hope you enjoyed this review. Definitely, I highly recommend this product. I didn't see anything wrong with it. And go get your Gizmo's account. Again, if you need to figure out how to set up a WordPress site, I will put a link on exactly how to do that. Or just search my channel, how to put up a WordPress site. All right, guys. Cheers.